power loss. Check the panels. Quiet. Hear that?
Not the wind. Coming from the solar bay. I need to check the feeds. Non-essential power is down. We're running bare bones now. The main fan is still struggling. Where is the branch failing?
What was that? It's coming from outside.
Shh. Stay hidden, Lucky.
It's closer now.
Keep still, Lucky. Just a moment more. Whimper. Almost got it. Stay warm.
Arf! Arf, arf!
Cable's cold here. Fault leads outside. Prepare for exterior verification.
The tether's pulling off course. Checking tension. Wind and cable are disagreeing. Follow the tension. Follow it to the array. The surface beneath is intact glass. Dust alone cannot explain the dead power branch. Inspect the buried junction area.
I found it. Looks like there's some damage here.
Visibility is dropping fast. We're losing the markers. The storm is erasing our tracks. The cover is bent inward along one edge. The box has suffered mechanical force. Locate what pulled it.
Cable's pulling hard. It goes beyond the array. I'll follow far enough to confirm.
Do you copy? This is HAB-1.
Condition 5. Cable vanishes into dust. Checking ridge. Nothing visible. Risking disorientation. Change of plan. Locating a nearer marker. The sheath is scarred from repeated wind-driven scraping. The strange pulling has a physical cause. Relieve the tension before the line fails. Automated route memory cannot be trusted visually. The episode returns to human judgment. The storm's closing the path home. Decide between deeper inspection and return. Suit integrity compromised. Return to habitat.
It's not holding. Use the cloth. Right. Temporary seal.
The seal is holding. Now, to trace this power line one last time towards the ridge. Still nothing.
It was just the wind.
Yeah, just the wind.
Line secure. Check. Return guidance confirmed. We need to move. Now.
Help. Airlock. Failure. Danger. Audio. Static drowns out final words.
Almost there. The route is clear. Continuing to the airlock.
Ah! Whoa! That was close! Checking tether. All good. Regaining balance. Let's keep moving.
Engaging bypass. Power restored, but it's unstable. Checking for Earth contact. Earth, come in. The ridge must be avoided. Avoid the ridge. Still here? I just fixed that. Verify whether power holds. Power locked. Check systems. Okay, marginal gains. Prioritize environmental controls. Affirmative. Stabilizing cabin pressure now. Power cut to the outer bay. Copy. Heat and comms are now priorities. Earth repeats only the warning about the ridge. No explanation follows before static returns. The unanswered question remains. The rhythm matches. The clamp won't hold. God, this is stiff. Right, let's make that warm zone. Almost had it. Okay, hold. Gotta get this clamp back on before blackout. Cable secure. Let's see if it holds. Affirmative. Night watch begins. The pulse weakers when the wind drops. The cable and ridge tension depend on storm force. Wait for a lull to reassess. Earth? I hear a click, but no voice, just a low tone. Signal's too weak. Must conserve power for dawn. Do not cross. Static.
Do it.
Stay inside tonight.
Hold fast. The second lock holds. It's stable. For now. You feel that?